Welcome back to video number 2 in our Money Sprites game. And this video is picking up from the last one when we wrote our narrative and we introduced the player to our game. And we're going to be staying on our player sprite, and we're going to get some controls for the player to move. And we do that with these event blocks. In the events category, it's this yellow circle here. It's the fourth one. There's lots of cool things to choose from, but we need this one. When space key is pressed, it's the second one. I'm going to zoom in a little bit. You can zoom in with these magnifying glasses here, plus to zoom in and minus to zoom out. I do that a lot. It's really important that you can see it. It's nice and big. And we're going to make this up by choosing the little arrow there and selecting up arrow. When we push the up arrow on our keyboard, we want our player's position to go up. And we're going to do that by changing their Y position. So I'm going to drag out change Y by 10. And if I zoom in way over here, you'll see my Y is currently negative 97. Now, what does that mean? Well, this is like a map, and 0, 0, 0 on the X and 0 on the Y is right in the middle. If I push the up arrow, notice what happens to my Y value. It goes up by 10, 33, 43, 53, 63, 73, 83, and on up. Now, I can do the opposite of that by pushing the down arrow, but instead of changing my Y by 10, I'm going to change it by negative 10. So I have to get another event, which is the down arrow key, and we get our change Y. Make sure it's Y and not X. Notice change X is right here. Don't get set. It needs to be this one. Change, CH, change. And change this 10 by deleting what's there and hit the minus, the subtraction key. It's right next to the number 0 on your keyboard, minus 10. Now, when I push the down arrow, my Y position changes by negative 10, taking 10 away. I push up and it goes up by 10. Okay? And we can do that same process for left and right. But for left, we need to make an event left arrow. When left arrow key is pressed, we want a motion block, again, our blue one. That's change X. But this is negative 10. We need to take 10 away. On a number line, the bigger you get, the more to the right you're moving. On a number line, the smaller the number, the more to the left, the farther away to the left of 0 you go. And if I push left on my game, you'll see my cursor over here. I'm starting to fall off the stage. It's taking my X and moving it way over, negative 251. If I come over here and I just drag my sprite to the center, you'll see my X is 0. Push left, negative 10, negative 20, negative 30, negative 40. Well, I need to move to the right. So I'm going to do this one more time with a when right key is pressed. When right key is pressed, take my X, change it by a positive 10. So I'm going to zoom out just a little bit here so you can see all of this stuff. And you can pause the video if you want to catch up. But if I push the right key, my X goes up by 10. 10, 20, 30, count with me, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. And if I push down, I can go down by 10 and up by 10. Pretty awesome. Now, as soon as I click the green flag, I'll snap over to this position. And that's where our game will begin. And that's pretty much it for the player. We can move on to working on our stand and our store and sell our items. If when you click the green flag, you don't go to this position, all you have to do is separate these, click stop, and go get a new block. Go to X, Y, snap it back together. Okay, I hope you found that helpful. Good luck out there, and I'll see you in the next one.